Hello guys, welcome to our Wix Studio series. Today we are going to learn how you can manage your site in your Wix Studio workspace. On your workspace, go to the left and go to Sites. And this is where you'll see all of the sites you've created on this specific workspace. If you wish to manage a site, click the three-dot button next to that site you want to work on, and here you'll have options to edit it, rename it, view it as a live site, if applicable, get client feedback, transfer site, invite collaborators, duplicate site, move to folder, or move to trash. If you wish to manage multiple sites at the same time, you can do that, but make sure that you're in the list view mode because on the grid view mode, it's difficult for you to select multiple sites at once. So when you enter the list view mode, you'll be able to tick the corresponding sites you want to work on, and then you can select what you want to do based on the available options here at the top. So you can assign tags to them, export them, move them to a folder, or move them to trash. So feel free to manage your Wix Studio sites according to the available options. And that's it for today, guys. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.